What's happening, bruv? You got Haitian food here?
Yeah.
Grits?
Yeah.
I'm in the right place. In St. Albans, Queens at Daily Dose Juice Bar because I heard about their 5 different flavors of waffles. And I was today years old when I found out that Haitians made grits. Living in America now, I'm able to explore and enjoy different diasporic foods that we don't have back home in London. Started off with the chicken and waffles. I got the cinnamon and sugar pearl with that homemade cinnamon butter.
Bombaclat.
And we were off to a flying start. The waffles had a great texture to them with that whipped homemade cinnamon butter, and the chicken was serious business.
Hey! Jesus is Lord!
Sometimes you got a skank when you're eating good. Then it was time for the pied de resistance, the Haitian grits. Extra sauce, cheese already added, and you can see them shrimp just sitting on top. Had to add the extra sauce because anything less would be uncivilized. Look at that steam. First bite.
Can we please have a moment of silence?
Cosmic, calculated, culinary charisma. This is incredible with the cheese in it. Seductive seasoning, provocative peppery kick, no lumpy grits, no rubbery shrimp. Perfection. 80 out of 10. As always, keep on leaving your recommendations and your suggestions. London Eats America. I'll see you on the next one, mate.